Hey, hello, welcome back. So we have agreed about writing a set of facts on the Pro 1, which we could view it using Notepad, WordPad, wherever. We have agreed that we have said the facts: male, Ahmed is male, Ali is male, Lou is male, Sarah, she's a female, Ahmed is a brother of Mike, Ahmed is a brother of Lou. If I want to activate this file back again, do you know how can I activate it? Well, simply either by double-click on the file from the home directory, my document, PROLOG folder, you will find it, or simply you will type square brackets and the name of the file with no extension surrounded by a single quotation. Right now, let's just remember the facts. When the computer will return, or the software, PROLOG will return true, that means it is a true fact which the program knows about it. For example, if I ask male, is Sarah's male? I do have a fact about the Sarah, but the problem that Sarah, she's not a male. Therefore, the truth value of this fact was assigned to be false. But if I ask female Sarah dot, it will return true because Sarah, she's a female. But look here what can happen if I type female Sarah capital. Sarah capital means variable, so it's gonna assign or unify this variable to the constant value Sarah. Exciting. Right now we have talked and we have discussed about the facts, and we did say that Mike is a brother, Ahmed is a brother of Mike. True? This is a true. And does he, if I say semicolon, then false. Okay, well, it has to be entered. Well, let's see right now, Ahmed is a brother of whom? Let's assume that I don't know that his brother is Lou and Mike. Let's say X. So X simply with a full stop is going to give you the first value, which is equals unified to Mike. With a semicolon, going to give you Lou. And then it's full stop. That's great, amazing. Can I conclude now, as a human being, we are the best model of intelligence over the world? My question is, can I simply conclude that Ahmed is, since Ahmed is a brother of Mike and Ahmed is a brother of Lou, can I conclude that Mike and Lou are brothers? Oh, let's see. If I say brother Ahmed, comma, no, not Ahmed, let's say Mike, comma, and Lou, dot. False. Oh my God. That's basically this is true because I have nothing, no facts. Okay, I have no fact in this file that confirms Mike is a brother of Lou. You have to help the software to conclude this information, but simply, how can I conclude this information back again? It means I have to write a rule. And the rule basically, we have to write it in a way that gonna conclude that Mike and Lou, they are brother. So I'm gonna say that brother X, I will say variable X is a brother of variable Y if brother, let's say Z, undo, oh, there is no undo. Well, let's see, it's not a problem. I will retype it back again. Well, let's say right brother, the variable X is a brother of the variable Y if there exists somebody, let's say Z, he's a brother of X and he's a brother of Y. Then I could conclude that X and Y, they are brothers. Semicolon. Okay, let's save it. So right now we have to recall it back again. Compiled. Perfect. So if I'm gonna type back again, brother Ahmed, Mike, it will gives me true. They are brother. But if I type brother Mike Lou, you're gonna get surprised that it has to be true. Why? Because simply the prologue, what it does, it's sequentially gonna cover the file. Let's see where it is. Where is the file that I go to the home directory, open it, view it as an open. We will find it here. Look here carefully. What's gonna happen? Basically, what it has happened that sequentially the file will be, as soon as it has been compiled, everything has been transferred to the memory. And we do have a set of facts that Ahmed is male, Ali is male, Lou is male, Sirish is female, and then I do save. These are the most important facts that I have to care about it. What they are. Ahmed is a brother of Mike, Ahmed is a brother of Lou. And then I say, I want to define that any two persons, they are brother if and only if there exists somebody, he's a brother of both of them. So basically what has been done, X has been unified to the, well, we have the pressed here, we have the pressed Mike. We pass Mike as the first argument or parameter to the function brother, while Lou has been the second argument or parameter. Therefore we're going to find that X has been unified with Mike, Y has been unified with Lou. Let's see it here. Look carefully. I'm trying to open the bin. It goes sequentially searching the file. If there is somebody, if there is any function brother, start with the first parameter Mike, I can find it simply. I can't find it simply. Why? Because I do have the first parameter Ahmed, but I do have the variable X and Y. For that, the unification between Mike and X has been done. The unification between Lou and Y has been done. Look here carefully. There exists another variable called Z with Mike. And there exists another calling for the function brother where the variable Z has not been unified. It's a new variable, and with Lou. So a new search for on the facts base where Z could be unified with something. Yeah, it could be simply unified with Ahmed. So therefore, I gonna find what? I will find that Ahmed has been unified with the variable Z, and it's gonna satisfy the condition part of the function. For that reason, it has been returned as true. Basically, whenever I'm talking about rule, a rule you cannot, there exists actually one single difference between the fact and the rule. They share the same function name, they share all the same number of arguments, the arity. But the main difference between them, is that the argument are constant in the fact, but the argument in the rule, they are variable. Like here, X is a capital variable, Y is a capital variable. So for that reason, we have talked about the facts as a variable. Let's try to write some new functions. Okay? For example, I'm gonna conclude that angry, let's say Ali is angry because Ali has a problem. Has problem Ali. Or let's define a function has Ali problem. So, okay? And then I have to say a fact that Ali has a problem. Okay, so as soon as I gonna know that Ali has a problem, then I could simply conclude that Ali is angry. I could not only pass a certain constant, I could make it variable. How? If there is anybody with an, let's say anybody, let's save it as has Sarah. Sarah, she has a problem. Let's say that Mike has problem. Okay, let's say that, listen here, let's say that Mike, no, Lou, has problematic. Okay, different constant. And then I'm gonna define a function that this person, X person, he's gonna be angry if he has a problem. Okay, and let's save it. I'll save the file, and then I will call it back again from PROLOG. Close the previous one and call it back again because I haven't added a new facts and rule. So basically, I want to know who's angry. I could simply say angry room with a full stop. It tells me Sarah, she's angry. Is there somebody else with the semicolon? Oh, Mike is angry. Ali's angry. But why? It doesn't retrieve or unify X to Lou. Because the second part, the second constant is a problem. While in Lou, it has been saved as a problematic. It's a new constant. Therefore, you as a human being, you could conclude that problematic is a Spanish word for problem. Okay? But basically, let's say, you can't know that the computer or the software cannot know that they have the same meaning. Okay? Everything has been defined before. Let's say that Sarah, she doesn't eat. Doesn't eat, let's say, does not eat Sarah. And also does not eat Ahmed. So both of them, they are really hungry. True? So I could define a rule, hungry. Any variable, he could be hungry if the variable y does not eat. True? Save. Let's save it. Okay, and then I have to recall it back again. Let's say, right, can I say that hungry Sarah dot tells you true? Okay, who's hungry? With a variable Sarah, semicolon, Ahmed. So this is basically the rules. It's really amazing. It's very nice. So at this moment, we have covered how could we define a set of facts, how could we define a set of rules, okay? But do you remember what we